Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Afiq bin Muhammad. I am from Group 5, Section 1. For today, I will be present about experiment 3, which is electrical wiring installation for electrical supply system belong from kilowatt meter to consumer control unit. So for this experiment, their aim is to become familiar with and identify single phase electrical wiring installation distribution board and their components in residential buildings, as well as to design the circuit design line diagram, single line diagram and schematic diagram. So their objective is the student should be able to have knowledge on wiring regulation, skills to determine the type of power circuits, proper usage of related tools or tester according to desired application, skills to draw the house plan and wiring diagram of the circuits, and the last is knowledge on electrical wiring accessories and symbol. So for the first, let's we look to the procedure of this experiment. For the first, all lighting and power circuit at home has been made sure to be functioning well. And second, all lighting switch at the house has been turned off. And the third, all socket outlet at the house has been turned off. Next, all MCB, or known as main circuit breaker, on the distribution board has been turned off. One MCB 6, 10, 16, 20 or 32 amp has been turned on, and the end circuit has been identified to supply by the MCB by performing the test below. So for the test below, we have two circuit, which is lighting circuit and power circuit. For lighting circuit, we need to turn on one of the switch and determine which lamp will light up and record the result on a table, and turn off the switch. And for the power circuit, we need to randomly attach socket, tester, multimeter, test pen on a socket outlet, turn on the switch and observe the functionality of socket outlet and record the results on table 4.1 and turn off the switch. So for lighting circuit, this lighting circuit mainly used for such as lamp in our house, fan, ceiling fan, while for power circuit, it is mainly used for socket outlet inside our house. And the next, the MCB has been turned off. Step number VIN and VIA procedure to determine all end circuit in the house has been repeated. From the results below, we can draw and label single line diagram for electrical supply system in our house. So let's we look. Here is the diagram of experimented house plan. So here is my house plan that I been draw. So as we can see here, I been draw the power circuit that been connected with MCB. So here is the indicator, which is this for lamp, and this for ceiling fan, and this is for socket outlet, and here is the MCB. As here is the diagram for the socket outlet. So next we will go to the single line diagram. So here is the single line diagram from the experimented house plan. So here they are. So, and for the last is the table that we need to use to complete and to determine which one is the MCB for the socket outlet, which is power circuits, and the lighting circuit. So here is the table. So next we will go to the discussion. So for discussion, we may identify the type of end circuit that is being used in house wiring installation by using the main circuit breaker. The circuit that connects the distribution fuse box to the load or the outlet socket or electrical appliances within the matching wire installation is known as an end circuit. In power circuit, MCB number 1, number 2 and number 3 are used. The type of power circuit that is being used for wiring is the radial circuit. This is because radial circuit can allow the current for circuits up to 20 amp for area less than 30 square meter, while MCB number 5, number 6 and number 7 are being used in the lighting circuit. The type of power circuit that being used for wiring is the type of lighting circuit that is being used for wiring is radial circuit. So next we will go to the question. For question, we have two questions, which is first we need to discuss the purpose of grounding in electrical wiring installation. So the answer is the purpose of grounding in electrical wiring installation is to limit the voltage that come from lighting, line surge or unexpected contact with higher voltage line, and to stabilize voltage to earth during the standard operation. And number 2, we need to name two types of conduit that commonly used in electrical wiring. So we have two, which is RMC, and also known as rigid metal conduit, and IMC, or known as intermediate metal conduit. So that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.